this is Rob Gray here, and thanks for enrolling on this video and film technology course, which introduces the digital film camera. This course is for anybody who's new to video or film production, for film school students, beginner filmmakers, or even media teachers from schools or colleges. The course will also have value to the more experienced filmmakers who want to up their game through a better understanding of video technology. On completion of this course, you will be confident in preparing and rigging a digital camera. You will be able to make informed decisions when choosing lenses for production. You'll be able to correctly identify lights and filters for basic digital video production. So how does this course start? Well, we start by looking at the camera, which is divided into three main sections. That is the lens, the camera body itself, and the essential attachments and connections that complete a video camera unit. We also take a close look at lenses, how they work, creative uses, and best care practices. We then study the characteristics of lights and filters and demonstrate applications that work for video and photography and their influence on picture aesthetics. You will also be able to download checklists to evaluate your progress by testing yourself in answering common exam questions. As a bonus, you'll be introduced to the duties and survival kit of the assistant camera person, or the 2AC as known in the film industry. The assistant camera person, well, he or she plays a key role in the filmmaking process. Besides having to understand how cameras and lenses and lighting works, he or she needs to build up a bag of tricks that is ready for all on-set requirements and anticipated emergencies. The 2AC is the first step towards becoming a DOP, or it can be a full-time career driven by recommendation or expertise.